How to fix Bluetooth not available on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple logo on the top left of your screen and further tap on the shutdown option. Shut down your MacBook and restart your MacBook again and see if that fixes the issue. If not, tap on the Apple logo again and further tap on the System Preferences option. You will then see the sharing option. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Bluetooth sharing option from the left side toolbar and then tap on the Open Bluetooth Preferences option. Here, firstly make sure to select the Show Bluetooth in menu bar checkbox and next, try to refresh the Bluetooth option by tapping on the Turn Bluetooth Off option and then enabling Bluetooth again and see if that fixes your issue. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of the application for the Mac OS to run smoothly without any glitches. So, this is how you can fix Bluetooth not available on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.